Yucky!
Lagi itong napapanood ng mga anak ko and isipin mo 'no, paano kaya yung mga gano'ng combination? Parang hindi bagay, 'di ba? Pero ito lang naisip ko, paano kaya 'pag yogurt with nata? Does that really work? Ganito kasi yan, nagpadala kasi sa'kin si Shimori ng PR. 'To timba, kidding aside, nasa loob yung mga newest flavors nila ng Shimmery Bites. So, their three newest flavors are Shimmery Bites Strawberry Lychee, Shimmery Bites Berry Blend, and Shimmery Bites Strawberry Mango. This is the moment of truth. Unahin natin tikman yung Strawberry Lychee. Nalasahan ko talaga yung lychee, though I cannot find the strawberry flavor kasi na-overpower ata siya ng lychee. Pero masarap siya. Bumagay yung nata de coco bits. The yogurt itself is really thick and creamy. Next one, we're gonna try the Shimmery Bites Berry Blend. Legit yung mixed berries flavor ng yogurt. And bumagay yung nata de coco bits. Grabe. I like this one. And finally, we're gonna try the Strawberry Mango. Nalalasahan ko talaga yung touch of strawberry and touch of mango. Medyo maasim. Pero ang sarap. Promise. So far, I really like all three flavors ng Shimmery Bites. Perfect treat, lalo na ngayong summer. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite.